Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's learn this. For the case of margin calls, it's your choice, and you set margin calls accordingly. How much you're using and how much maybe it is on the balance. Okay. So now straight away, I'm going to show you how you can do margin calls. So for example, I shared this signal for sushi. Yes, I shared this signal. We can look for it. Sushi, where are you? Okay, sushi is here. Now, this was the signal, and I marked it very well. Our 2.5%. Then we entered here. Okay, that was our entry. Now, for you to be safe, you need to first measure which percentage is from here. Maybe from here where we entered, up to the Fibonacci level, where I'm going to show you. Okay, let me drag it up. Okay, like this. So you can measure, for example, at this moment from here up to here, and you first see which percentage is there. Okay, let's measure. Let us measure. You measure from here where you entered from. Okay, now we are going down. Okay, this is 12%. 12% for margin calls. Now, if it is 12%, it's up to you to know how you're going to handle this. Now, for example, now let me get where to write, such as that I can give you highlight. Okay, now, if you have maybe, let us assume that you're having 200 as your capital. 200 as your capital. I can decide to use $50 as first buy. Okay, $50 out of my 200. Now I'm dealing with 10%. This coin I'm expecting maybe it may dip 10%. Now what I will do, I'll say my first buy, rather my first drop here, I will make it 1%. This time of percentage drop. Then this side of times, I may decide to use 0.2, 0.2. Oh, let's first calculate it such that we can understand. So we are going to calculate what is 0.3 maybe of 50. That is $15. And remember, we are having 150 on our balance. Okay, we have 150 on our balance. Now if I do this, if I do $15 every call, it means when I do 10 margin calls, yes, it will work for me. Are you getting it? So it is 0.3 of 50. Yes, this is it. So I will do, if this coin drops 1% here, 1%, I will do 0.3, which means it is 0.3 times 50, which is your first buy, and which is $15. So I want to deal with this coin until it dips 10%. Okay, now I would come here and again I say maybe 1.5. okay, now again 0.5, 0.3 rather. Okay, so here I'll say again, because remember this side of percentage drop here, we want 10%, the whole percentage drop. we have to measure, or you can calculate it such as that it can reach 50, rather 10%. Okay, meaning now this is 2% already, 2.5. Now we're remaining with 7.5. Okay, now I can say here again 1.5, again 0.5, 0.3 rather. This is third core. I say 2%, I say 0.3. That's how they do margin calls. You do margin calls accordingly. You don't wake up and say, I'm going to put here 4, I'm putting here 2. No, it's not there. You have to be very, very calculative to understand that I have the balance of this amount and I'm expecting this coin to move. To move where? To move down. When it moves down, I'll do this. I'll buy more of this coin. You get it? So as you see, we are dealing with 10%. We are assuming 10% around here, not 12. We can deal with 10. So from here, this coin can dip up to here in case. So the margin calls are for emergency. Okay, as you are seeing, this coin is coming down, but you don't need to come out from the trade. Yes, it will make it. So that's how they do margin calls. Maybe I can open some account here such as that. You can understand what I'm trying to mean. Okay. Now let me maybe I use ADA. Okay. Let me use ADA. So now you do this. Okay. Come here on first buy, put your 50 there. Are we together? I'm putting 50. I'm buying with 50. First buy. Now margin calls 10. Okay. The percentage as usual, it is 2%. Then this one, position profit callback, I can make it 0.01. Then margin callback here, meaning here. Let's first leave here on margin calls and I show you. Okay, now I come here on buying callback, I reduce to 0.3. Then I make sure that this circle is not there. Okay, so I'll press it and I put one short. Okay, like that. So I'll come back here. Ladies and gentlemen, this one on margin configuration. Now on margin configuration, we are going to set very well these 10 margin calls. That's where you are going to set it. How do you want to buy? Okay, we press there. Then you come back here on percentage drop. I've said 1.5. First one 1%. The second one 1.5. Are you following? This one 2.2%. Okay, 1.5. 2%. Are we together? So I can say you do this accordingly, how much you have, okay? And after measuring, this coin can go up to which Fibonacci line, okay? So you make sure that this side of margin drop is in a total percent of 10%. Maybe you have measured 10, maybe you have measured 20. Make sure you make it the way you have measured, okay? So I think you're following. I can say 1% until it gets what I want, maybe 1.5. When I add all this percentage, I have to be having a total percent of 10 and above. Are we together? So I do this after confirming that this coin will move at least 20% below. So this is it. I can do it like this. Then this side of times, I will do times accordingly how much that I'm having on my balance. Now, for example, here we have said that we have $200 as our capital. We have used $50 as our first buy. Now here we are going to buy with 15 slot. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to do this 0.5, 0.5, 0.3, meaning it is 0.3 over 50, which is at our first buy. This is equals to $15. Okay, that's how we do it. Okay, okay. If you have money, it would be better. When you reach on a 50 score, you add more money. Maybe on a 50 score, I can say, when you reach here, buy for me one time, meaning I'm buying with 50. You get it? Here, I buy maybe 2 times. I'm talking to that one that is having money. The more you are coming down, the more you put more money. Okay? So, but I think we are doing this for example, but you can understand what I'm trying to mean. Okay? You do this according how much you have on the balance. Okay? So that's it. That's it. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. Then you save. You come here at the top. Make sure you come here at the top. Then you save here at the top. Always save. Save. And maybe if the coin was to preset it, you can come here and put the price. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. After doing your settings, you come here and put the price that was given on the signal. Okay, put it there. Then press start. After writing here the price, confirm and press start here. Okay, are we together? You press start. Start is here. Okay, you press start, then the coin will just remain in the green. Then after you make sure again, you come here on strategy mode. The strategy mode should be always sub-bin mode real-time settlement. This one. If the margin calls are more than 4, you should switch to real-time settlement. This one, okay? Make sure you put a tick here. Put a tick, then confirm. There you are trading the coin in margin calls. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for following MRD as usual. Yes, that's it.